Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by BGMgirl. They did send me this 24-inch pre-bleached and pre-plucked frontal, y'all. So I will be going to my stylist to get this wig installed and taking y'all with me. When I say this wig speaks for itself, y'all, definitely a 10 out of 10. So let's get right into this video.
I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it. And I wasn't going. Can't focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove. How the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause nothing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Baby, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart. Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
That 5 for you, I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking, now in for me, I ain't got it. My bitch scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. The grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too boy. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the red one lying?
So guys, this is the final look. This is how my hair turned out. 10 out of 10, okay? When I say I love this wig, I love the clips, I love everything about it. I love the way the lace laid. Also, y'all, this lace is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, okay? It's a HD lace as well. Y'all definitely keep that in mind when I say this wig was so easy to install. Definitely was real quick and easy. When I say I love it, everything about it. It is 24 inches as well. Very nice length, like, y'all. This wig is a 10 out of 10 for me. Y'all, BGM definitely snapped with this wig. This is one of their best high quality wigs, y'all. When I say go get this wig, sis, definitely go get this wig. As you see, it speaks for itself, okay? My stylist definitely did her thing. Per usual, another meltdown, okay? Y'all, I can get enough of saying this wig is a 10 out of 10. This look is a 10 out of 10. Everything is a 10 out of 10. Like, how could you not? This is the end of the video. Everything about BGM hair will be in the description box, literally everything. You can use my discount code to get money off the purchase if you're interested in shopping with them. Definitely let them know that I did send you. As I mentioned, my discount code will be below for y'all. Yes, I definitely like this hair. Definitely love it. Like, it's not shedding, literally nothing of that sort. Very, very beginner friendly. As I mentioned, it does come pre-plucked and pre-bleached. Like, what more can you ask for, honestly, truthfully? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. It will be in the description box below. We are at 54K. We're on the road to 100K. Y'all know the vibes. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video. Definitely go and shop with BGM hair.
Baby, you should know this. That I ain't going nowhere. I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it. And I wasn't going